Matriarch, there is a massive output of void energy spiking from the temple below.
Target the epicenter.
I do not come as your enemy, Dark Templar. You must listen to me, Matriarch. Amon's trap is sprung. Your leader is in grave danger.
You think us fools?
Yes, but that is irrelevant. What is relevant is that Amon has opened a gateway to the void. Dark energies pour from within, and they will burn through your precious leader, and any who oppose Amon. I can guide you to Artanis before this fate befalls him. If we are bold, we can stop the Dark God's assault.
Am I to believe that the moment you're released, your blade will not be in my back?
You waste time. Lower your blades. I am Alarak, first descendant of the Tal'Darim. Amon has betrayed my people. Retribution will be claimed for this, and if your hierarch survives, he will aid in it. Make your decision.
You will take us to Artanis.
Most wise.
I have brought an additional defensive ability online, Matriarch. Please visit the Solar Core to configure it. Matriarch, the Keystone has begun absorbing void energies at an unprecedented rate.
Then this Tal'Darim speaks the truth.
Void energies flood from the temple. With each passing moment, the threat grows. I do not trust him, but all data points to the scenario he describes. A gateway to the void has been opened.
Is there any way to pinpoint Artanis?
No. The energies are making us virtually blind.
We must put our faith in this Tal'Darim. It pains me to do so. Rohana! Rohana!
You sought honor, and now you have found it. The cradle of life, both your beginning and your end.
Release her, Amon.
Do you seek deliverance within these empty halls? You will find none here. Only the truth of the Xel'Naga's failure.
Let her go!
I offer a gift. Release in oblivion.
Silence! This Tal'Darim has brought warriors with him. Perhaps there is a benefit to his presence after all.
Where does my prey hide? Your hierarch is apparently unaware of the danger closing in around him. If you desire his safe return, you will send your warriors to these coordinates now. This path will lead your forces to Artanis. I have done as I promised, Dark Templar. Now go tell your hierarch. I am waiting for him.
Matriarch, our High Templar have volunteered to aid you.
The loss of the Kala was not easily borne, but we are ready to serve once again.
Templar, I thank you for your bravery in this dire time. We will recover our hierarch.
The darkness, my charge. Our power shall serve. Unity. Unleash psionic storms, brothers. Let these hybrid thralls feel the wrath of the Templar.
Protoss! Coming!
For Artanis, we continue on. As ever, I serve. Antaro Tassadar. I have heard of these Terran specters. Focus their energies into a feedback loop. They will not bear it. Continue on.
Templar, join us, quickly!
To me, my swarm!
Focused once more.
Vorazun, your forces have arrived just in time. Amon has opened a portal to the Void. It must be shut down before it tears us apart.
Agreed. My swarm and I will bear the brunt of Amon's power, and buy you time. But it's up to you to seal that portal.
The gateway draws power from these void crystals. We will need to destroy them if we are to seal the gate.
Then it shall be done.
You have not enough minerals.
The darkness is approaching my hive cluster, Artanis. I hope you're getting ready to disable those crystals. I'll continue sending as many Zerg as I can spare to help you. Fight well, Templar.
We are focused once more. We continue on. For Artanis.
I am detecting several energy sources hidden across the temple. They appear to be Xel'Naga vessels, ancient power sources. If we can locate them, I should be able to use their energy to free up additional solarite from the Spear of Adun's core.
My charm, wisdom through adversity. The merging is complete. Our power shall serve. Call. For Artanis.
Crystal's defenders have fallen. Move in and destroy it.
Crystal destroyed. Sensors are showing 3 more remain, Hierarch.
Your thoughts are clear. Our power shall serve. Antaro Tassadar.
Chosen, slay these heretics in Amon's name!
Serve.
Minions, move out. Eviscerate any fool who stands in your way.
I walk the shadowed path.
I will comply. We are focused once more. Unity through purpose. As ever, I serve. I heed the call.
The crystal is secure. Destroy it as soon as possible.
the shadow of the darkness. I walk the shadow.
Two crystals destroyed. I suspect Amon's forces will not let us take the next two so easily.
Hybrid are moving to attack our nexus point. Ready our defenses.
For Artan. Awaiting our power shall serve. I have returned. Receive my charge. As ever.
You have not enough minerals. Upgrade complete. You have not enough minerals.
Our power shall serve.
Forces and I move against a crystal. Thought I might extend an invite your way. Minions, fight your way to the next crystal. The Templar will finish up here.
Unstable. We must destroy the final crystal, and do so with haste.
Hybrid inbound on our nexus point. Warriors, intercept them!
My charge. I will comply. Antaro Tassadar.
That's enough. For now.
As ever, we've secured a Zelnaga vessel, Karax. Prepare for transfer.
Unbelievable. Despite eons of inactivity, these devices are still at full power. The second Zelnaga power source has been secured. I only detect one energy signal left.
Artanis, hurry up and disable those void crystals. My hive cluster is taking a beating.
Olak Natal.
Upgrade complete.
Your thoughts are clear. Wisdom through adversity. Antaro Tassadar. I heed the call. Unity through purpose.
That is the last of the vessels, Karax.
Understood. I am transferring the final power source now.
For Artanis.
Push forward. Engage Amon's forces. Artanis, now's a good time to make your move.
Secured. Destroy it, and victory is ours. Let this be a reckoning. From this point forward, we stand united. We shall turn back the tide of Amon's darkness. We fought well this day, Kerrigan. Join us. Together, we can defeat Amon and send him back into the void.
My swarm was broken here, Artanis. I'll need time to rebuild my forces.
There is no time. My people are being consumed. Their very flesh turned into Amon's own. I cannot wait.
Then you must do as I have. Gather allies, subjugate enemies, do whatever you can to ensure victory. Survival is never pretty.
We are very different leaders, but I thank you nonetheless. Until we meet again.